On everybody, this is day 64 on the path to $30,000 a month. So today's gonna start off a little different. So I am working on a vision board right now. So I'm gonna do a time lapse. I'm gonna finish gluing these all together, and then I'll go over it with you to show you kind of my goals for my life, but hopefully in the next 5 to 10 years. So time lapse this right now. All right, so some of you may be a little curious about, what kind of goals that I have, and I would actually love to know your goals as well. So just put them down in the comments below. So I'll just tell you mine. This isn't all of them, but this is just some of them. So we start off with the least. They're all pretty crazy. Okay, so I want a net worth of at least $25 million before I pass away. That is enough money that I could use for, real estate. It wouldn't be obviously be in my account, but this is just acting like this is, my bank account here. So 25 million, I would use that for real estate and all that. So I would have cash flow coming in, but at least there'd be cash of 25 million. And then this is my dream home. I want a house built, custom home built in Colorado. I'll have 3 homes, one in Colorado, one in Arizona, and one in California. California is business, Arizona is fun, and then Colorado is peace. And so the most exciting home for me is the peace home. So this is the view that I would have. This is my compound. It has a helicopter pad, cars underneath, just windows everywhere, just really light built into the mountainside. So that's that. This is pretty materialistic. It doesn't have to be like this, but private jet flights with the family off to places. I don't think I'm gonna end up probably doing that, but that's just because that's not really economical, but it's just like the amount of money that I would like to own that I could do something like this if I did once in a while. I want a Porsche GT3. It doesn't have to be an RS, but a Porsche GT3 or the GT3 Touring. I love them. They're beautiful cars. They sound great. You put some downpipes on them. The most beautiful sounding car in the world. And then this was a goal of mine a long time ago, and I still want it. Prove it to myself. I want a Lamborghini Huracan by the age of 30. So I'm 27 right now. I got a couple years. And I decided to create all this because I feel like times are changing for me right now, and I need something that's gonna get me motivated to push through the hard times that are coming. So if you guys subscribe down below, you'll see in the next coming months, it's gonna be pretty crazy. A lot of work. So I hope to see you all there with my journey, and hopefully I can film all of this as well with my YouTube channel, and so you can all be there and watch me do this. And I also want to see you guys succeed as well. So if you guys start a YouTube channel, please let me know and comment down below so people can check it out as well. But yeah, this is my vision board. I'm going to start writing in all the stuff so I can look at this, and I'm going to put this above my bed so I can look at it every single morning when I wake up. So if I were you, I would do something like this. If you're trying to get somewhere, big in life, you want to become financially free and make a good money and help your family out. This might help. So I'm not sure. I'm not there yet, but this is mine. So hopefully you guys do this as well. All right, guys. So I did some emailing, and now I'm going to a coffee shop for a little bit, and then I'll come back. I'm going to do a really large decal for a Challenger, and then I have a couple more customer orders, and then that'll be the end of the video, and then we will go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. All right, so starting off, we got the cutter making the 45-inch decal. It's the Charger decal. It's a Super B decal. It's really cool. My buddy came over and did some work as well. So he's over there hanging out, as you can see. I didn't have anywhere to put any of it was such a big decal. I didn't have my big table. That's at my apartment. So I had to work with what I got. So now I am basically just cutting out the excess transfer tape here. This is pretty entertaining. I like watching this. But yeah, so now I'm folding it up, packaging up the decal. It's a 34-inch package. So I got that out, checking some stickers here. Now I'm working on some customer orders, getting those out as well. And then I am also doing decals. There was a decal that I got, a Shopify order, which you'll see in a little bit. So I'm doing that one right here, packaging up all of these stickers as well. And that was it. That was all I had for Monday. It wasn't too bad for a Monday because I've gotten rid of a lot of my inventory. So that was it. Everyone, we are done with orders. We got the large decal out here. We got that large 34, or it's actually a 45-inch decal, but in a 34-inch box because it's folded or rolled. Got another large decal. All those customer orders down there. So we are all done. So let's go over yesterday's revenue to see how much money we made. So yesterday actually we made $26.51 on Shopify. So not bad. We made $34.53 on eBay, which wasn't bad as well. And we made $641.27, which was pretty normal, but good. So at a total of $702, but we need to be at $1,000 a day to make $30,000, but we are at almost $2,000. So we would need to be at $3,000 to make $30,000 a month, but that is okay. We are working on some new opportunities. We're doing cold emails now. So I'll also be inputting some of that as well into the video. So that is very exciting. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Have a great rest of your Monday, and I hope to see you all tomorrow for day 65. Have a great rest of your night, everyone.